Do you want to speak English confidently every single day without translating in your head? In this video, you'll practice 100 real-life English sentences that native speakers use daily. If you repeat them with me, your speaking will become smoother, faster, and more natural. Welcome back to BBC English Online. Today, we're practicing 100 English sentences for daily use. I'll say each sentence slowly first, then at normal speed. Make sure you pause and repeat after me for the best results. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's begin. Section 1. Morning routine and starting the day. I just woke up. I just woke up. I need 5 more minutes. I need 5 more minutes. What time is it? What time is it? I'm running late. I'm running late. I have to get ready. I have to get ready. I'll take a quick shower. I'll take a quick shower. Where did I put my phone? Where did I put my phone? I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys. Let's grab some breakfast. Let's grab some breakfast. I'm not fully awake yet. I'm not fully awake yet. I'll make some coffee. I'll make some coffee. Do you want some tea? Do you want some tea? I need to check my emails. I need to check my emails. What's the plan for today? What's the plan for today? I have a busy day ahead. I have a busy day ahead. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your bag. I'm heading out now. I'm heading out now. See you tonight. See you tonight. Have a great day. Have a great day. Great job. You've completed 20 sentences. Let's move on. Section 2. At work or school. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Let's get started. Let's get started. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I don't understand this part. I don't understand this part. Could you explain it again? Could you explain it again? That makes sense now. That makes sense now. I'll finish this by today. I'll finish this by today. I'll send it to you soon. I'll send it to you soon. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. What do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? That's a good point. That's a good point. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Let's discuss it later. Let's discuss it later. I'll look into it. I'll look into it. We need to meet the deadline. We need to meet the deadline. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your patience. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Excellent. That's 40 sentences done. Keep going. Section 3. Daily conversations and social situations. How have you been? How have you been? It's been a while. It's been a while. What's new with you? What's new with you? I've been really busy lately. I've been really busy lately. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. That must be tough. That must be tough. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? I enjoy spending time with my family. I enjoy spending time with my family. Do you want to hang out sometime? Do you want to hang out sometime? Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. It was nice seeing you. It was nice seeing you. Fantastic. You've practiced 60 sentences. Let's continue. Section 4. Shopping, food, and services. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Drop a comment below. Which sentence was new for you today? Could I get the bill, please? Could I get the bill, please? The food was delicious. The food was delicious. I ordered this, not that. I ordered this, not that. Excuse me, there's a mistake. Excuse me, there's a mistake. Do you offer any discounts? Do you offer any discounts? Is service included? Is service included? Could you recommend something? Could you recommend something? I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'd like it without onions. I'd like it without onions. Could you pack this to go? Could you pack this to go? I'm not satisfied with this product. I'm not satisfied with this product. I'd like to return this item. I'd like to return this item. What's your refund policy? What's your refund policy? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Amazing progress. Just 20 more sentences to go. Section 5. Evening, feelings, and deeper conversations. I'm finally home. I'm finally home. I'm exhausted today. I'm exhausted today. It was a productive day. It was a productive day. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. I need some rest. I need some rest. Let's order dinner. Let's order dinner. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? I've been meaning to tell you something. I've been meaning to tell you something. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. I couldn't have done it without you. I couldn't have done it without you. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. Let's talk about it tomorrow. Let's talk about it tomorrow. I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel. I see your point. I see your point. I might be wrong, but I might be wrong. But from my perspective, let's find a solution together. Let's find a solution together. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Amazing work. You just practiced 100 real English sentences for daily use. If you repeat this video a few times, I promise you'll start using these sentences naturally in conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson, watch my video on 100 English questions and answers for daily conversation. I'll link it above. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing. You're doing great.